Hey everyone, Felix here. Hope you're all doing fantastic. Welcome back to my channel where I dive into the latest apps and side hustles that can help you earn some extra cash. Today I'm diving into ReceiptJar.com to see if it's really a scam or if it's worth your time. Let's find out together. ReceiptJar.com is a platform that's been gaining traction lately, promising users cashback rewards for uploading their receipts. Sounds too good to be true, right? That's exactly why we're here today, to explore whether ReceiptJar.com is a legitimate way to earn some extra money or just another scam seeking to rip us off. But before we get started, if you're curious about how I make anywhere from $400 to $1,000 per day online, I've got something special for you. Check out the link in the description below. It's free training that could change your life. Now let's get back to ReceiptJar.com. When it comes to ReceiptJar.com, one of the most common concerns that people have is whether it's actually possible to earn a decent income from uploading receipts. Some people claim to have made significant amounts while others are left with pennies to show for their efforts. Then there are those who are convinced that the whole system is rigged, that ReceiptJar.com only pays lip service to its users while keeping the real cash for itself. Another common misconception is that ReceiptJar.com is some kind of a get-rich-quick scheme where all you need to do is snap a few receipts and voila, instant riches. Well, let me tell you, it's not that simple. There are people out there who genuinely believe that ReceiptJar.com is a shortcut to financial freedom, but I'm here to tell you that's just not the case. Lastly, some people are simply skeptical about sharing their personal shopping habits and financial information with a third-party platform. And who can blame them? With all the data breaches and privacy concerns surrounding online transactions, it's only natural to wonder if ReceiptJar.com is secure enough to handle sensitive information. So how does ReceiptJar.com actually work? From what I've gathered, users earn points for every receipt they upload, which can later be redeemed for cash or gift cards. Sounds pretty straightforward, right? Well, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Users' experiences vary wildly. With some people reporting seamless transactions while others are left waiting for months to get their rewards. One thing that caught my attention is that ReceiptJar.com partners with various brands and retailers to offer exclusive deals and discounts. That's great and all, but it also raises some red flags. Are these brands somehow involved in the receipt upload process? Do they have access to user data? These are all legitimate questions that need answering. Another aspect that's worth exploring is that payment process itself. How does ReceiptJar.com handle user payments, and what's the average wait time for receiving rewards? From my research, it seems that some users have had issues with delayed or missing payments, which is definitely a cause for concern. Let's get to the most compelling evidence that either supports or debunks the claim of ReceiptJar.com being a scam. First of all, I came across several user testimonials that praise the platform for its ease of use and prompt payments. Of course, there are also those who can claim to have been scammed, but we need to take both sides into the account. One user shared a particularly convincing story about how they earn a substantial amount of cashback rewards within just a few months. Now, I'm not saying this is the norm, but it does suggest that ReceiptJar.com can be a viable option for some people. On the flip side, I found several reports of users being banned from the platform without explanation, which is definitely a red flag. So, what's the verdict? Is ReceiptJar.com a scam or a legitimate way to earn some extra cash? From my findings, it seems that the platform is not a scam per se, but it's also not a get-rich-quick scheme. You'll need to put in the effort to upload receipts regularly and follow the rules to a T to earn somewhat of a decent reward. Now, if making a few bucks here and there isn't cutting it for you, I've got something better. Imagine earning $5,000 to $10,000 per month from the comfort of your home. It's possible, and I'm a living proof. I've put together a free training that shows you exactly how I do it. Interested? Just click the link in the description, enter your info, and I'll send the free training straight to your inbox. This training covers everything you need to know about building a profitable online business. No fluff, just real strategies that work. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this review helpful in making an informed decision about ReceiptJar.com. If you've had any experience with the platform, please share your stories in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on online earning platforms where I explore even more ways to make money online. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.